Hello guys, what's up, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Today once again I'm talking about the IDEX token price update, guys. What's the price? What's going on in IDEX? Let me show you, guys. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and update video about the IDEX, guys. So guys, first of all, if we talk about the right now price of IDEX, the right now price is about 0.4494 USD dollar. That is the right now price of IDEX. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes, 0.17% negative changes occurs in IDEX. I mean the price changes. Oh, what's going on? 0.25% positive? Oh my god, that's really a congratulations, surprise for all of you. Now live the price of IDEX start pumping. Wow, now I'm feeling satisfied. Now I'm feeling very good about IDEX because, guys, the changes of IDEX is in the right now situation is positive, guys. Anyways, thanks God. Let me show you price chart. Oh my god, you can see here, guys, this time the price of IDEX taken a huge pump, but unfortunately in a relative situation completely IDEX is going in the lows, guys. So that's why the changes is negative. But don't worry, guys, in the latest situation IDEX again start jumping. You can see here that, oh my god, again changes is a negative, guys. You know what, now I'm sure about IDEX that they will take a jump. They will take a jump. Just wait, guys. Never decide to sit, just wait, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update video.